Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw settlement funds with PayPal Payouts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw settlement funds using PayPal Payouts, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payouts dashboard. Select the Payouts option from the menu. Next, locate the transaction for the settlement funds you wish to withdraw. Click on the transaction to view its details. Ensure the status of the transaction is marked as completed. Now, look for the option to transfer or withdraw the funds. Click on the Withdraw button associated with the transaction. You will be prompted to choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method, such as your linked bank account or debit card. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Confirm button to proceed with the withdrawal. PayPal will process your withdrawal request shortly. You will receive a notification once the funds have been transferred. Check your bank account or debit card to confirm that the funds have arrived. If you encounter any issues, return to the Help Center for assistance. Follow these steps accurately to successfully withdraw your settlement funds with PayPal Payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.